Hello student, in this lecture we are going to discuss further accounting terms. In last lecture we have complete number 9 assets. Okay, now number 10. Number 10 is expenditure, right? Expense were very popular in our practical life. Expenses means amount spent. So in accounting, expenses also called as expenditure, and in simple word, expenditure means money spent from business transactions. Understand? So expenditure means payment for business transactions. For business transaction, when any amount paid or spent, it is called expenditure. And in accounting, expenditure can be classified into two categories. First, capital expenditure, and second, revenue expenditure. Let us understand meaning of capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means what? This payment is not regular in nature. Means this payment is not paid regularly day to day. Sometime this amount is paid, and the benefit of such expense is available for more than 1 year. So when money paid from business, then decided according to nature of payment. If payment is irregular, it is called capital expenditure. For example, purchase of asset. Do you know asset means what? Asset means those articles which are purchased, not for resale. So asset include land and building, plant and machinery, furniture. They are purchased and they are not sold within 1 year. They are retained in the business for very long run period. So amount spent on purchase of asset is capital expenditure. Repayment of loan, when loan borrowed from bank and then repaid loan. Repayment means payment of loan, it is called capital expenditure. Redemption of debenture. Student, debenture is a liability of company business, and if the debenture redeemed to the debenture holder, it is capital expenditure, because debentures are not redeemed regularly. So are you understand? Capital expenditure means irregular payment. Now revenue expenditure. This payment is regular in nature, regularly paid, day to day paid. The benefit of such expense is available only for 1 year. Means if any revenue expenditure paid, the benefit of such expense is available up to 1 year only, not more than 1 year. It is called revenue expenditure. For example, salary paid. Salary paid to employee, the benefit of salary is available for particular month. Means employee provided services to the business for which businessman pay salary to the employee. Understand? So the benefit of salary is available for particular month. When employee work whole year, then whole year salary paid to employee. That means the amount of regular expenditure, revenue expenditure available only for 1 year. Wages paid, revenue expenditure, rent paid, telephone expense paid. So many expenses incurred day to day. So such expenses are known as revenue expenditure. Understand? Okay, now number 11, receipt. Receipt means income. So what is simple meaning of receipt? When money is received due to operation of business transaction, it is known as receipt, and the main operating activity of the business is sales. So money received from sale of goods is called income. However, some other income also earned by businessmen, like that rent received, commission received, sale of asset, sale of investment, they are other receipts of the business, but the main receipt of the business is sale. Okay, receipt means money received. Okay, now two types of receipt: capital receipts and revenue receipt. Capital receipt means very simple. Capital receipt means irregular receipt. That means this receipt not received regularly or day-to-day activity. This receipt is not received regularly. For example, sale of asset, loan borrowed, sale of investment, they are capital receipt. Sale of assets are not sold regularly day to day. Assets are purchased not for resale, but sometime if any asset becomes out of use, means scrap, this asset sold out. Loan borrowed is a capital receipt because loan is not borrowed every day or every month, it is one time borrowing. Sale of investment is a property and they are not sold regularly from the business. Whenever require money in the business, then investment is sold. So sale of investment is a capital income. Receipt, okay, revenue receipt. Capital receipt irregular, revenue receipt regular. Revenue receipt means regular receipt from day-to-day activity of business. The main activity of the business is purchase and selling goods. So amount received from sale of goods. Sale of goods is the example of revenue receipt. Other receipts include rent received, commission received, brokerage received, interest received, dividend received, bad debt recovery. They are example of revenue receipt. Okay, thank you.